One. And the race is on. Queen Alicia from the outside is Gypsy Gray. Rushing up is Lealtad. Dancing Storms from the outside. Oh, Waki. And unequal is the early trailer. Lealtad, Queen Alicia, Gypsy Gray. Oh, Waki is running in fourth by Darrell. And alongside is Dancing Storms. Passing the half-mile post, Lealtad by a length and a half, followed now by Gypsy Gray. Queen Alicia, Waki down on the inside. Dancing Storms is racing from the outside. Rounding the far turn, Lealtad by 3/4 of a length, followed by Gypsy Gray. Waki. Dancing Storms racing on the outside. Queen Alicia as they race the last 450. Lealtad by ahead. Gypsy Gray on the outside. Dancing Storm. And by Darrell is Waki. It's still Lealtad and Gypsy Gray fighting it out for the lead. Gypsy Gray from the outside. Lealtad down on the inside. Gypsy Gray, Lealtad by Darrell. But still Gypsy Gray. And finally Gypsy Gray. Lealtad, Dancing Storms, Waki, Queen Alicia, and Unequaled comes last.
There you have it, 5-3-6-1.